Welcome back. This is Nasim, and today I am going to talk about the Screen Studio, which is my favorite screen recorder tools for Mac. So if you are looking for a crystal clear and all-in-one screen recorder, then I highly recommend you to use screen recorder, because this tool I am using since on years. Okay, so these tools actually very flexible and very professional, so you will love it when you will try to use it every day. So my recommendation is, if your main content creation is mostly about the recording your screen and you are using Mac, then definitely you should use it. Okay, so here you can see this is the sample of how you will see the output. So this is ready to use, so that's mean you just need to make screen record and you can export it and then upload it. So you don't need to do any extra editing and zoom in zoom out feature. So just think, if you use this zoom in and zoom out by using manual like another tools, then you have to spend I don't know how many hours you have to spend on the scene. Okay, so it's very difficult to do manually, but with these tools it will be very easy. So let's see what is the another cool feature that I really love, and this is the automatic zoom and export in vertical mode. So if you want, you can use the vertical mode format video, which is very easy. And this is actually right now this format is very popular. You can make a YouTube shorts, you can upload that video also, TikTok reels. This is will be very useful. So at the same time you can record this one together. Okay, and if you want, you can control manual zoom and easy editing feature. So this is very simple and editing feature, but you will get the output very professional. Okay, so that's why I personally love it. So you can customize everything after recording your video. You can resize your cursor, you can resize your zoom, like webcam, you can change the position of your webcam. So voice is very like, I just love it. Okay, and you can add the style, you can change the video background, like any background you can record, you can change any type. Okay, and another cool part is this is very simple. Just you can see, this is the quick look of the preview of these tools. I can also show you. So here it is. So this one actually mine, and this one is for your like the preview. Here you can see, you can use the different all the microphone that are connected, you will show here. And this is the webcam, you will be able to record your zoom your camera at the same time and record your webcam. Of course you can position it, and you can generate a transcript or how you actually speak in this video. And the super another best part that I am gonna want to share with you, which is this speaker note. So just this is the speaker note. I hope you can see it right now, but if you use these tools for recording your video, you will not record this note. So which is very cool. Like for example, if you want to share some idea about your, and if you generated any script, and you can take it here and you can record the footage, and the meantime it will be in front of you, but it will not record. So that's the cool part that I super useful for me, and most of the time I use it. And let's see how you will get the output. Okay, so don't record microphone. So if I show you how you can record, just hit this button, display window area and device. When your website, your new device is connected through wire, then you will be able to see it. For example, you can connect your iPhone, and for this time I just want to use the window record. So this will only record this Google Chrome, and here you can see this recording already starting. Okay, and if I hit the mouse here, so this is the sample record that I already done, and close it, and all the thing I am doing in front of you. So this is the editing mode. So this is very quickly I have recorded this short clip. If you want, you can save it, you can copy it, you can share it. Okay, so this will be the shareable link. And right, if you want to see the editing interface, go to editing button. Okay, so here you can see this is the quick preview that how I recorded in front of you guys. Okay, so if I want, okay, let's close the note. So here, for example, I just want to change this video background. Just click on there. Yes, it's clicked. And if I want to add more blurry on the screen, you can see the blurry screen is down, and if you want, you can increase the padding. Okay, so and here is the cursor size that you can resize. You can change the color and the types, and this is the size. So let's change it to vertical mode and see what happened. Here you can see quickly this full format video converted to the vertical mode. Now you can export it. So that is very cool. So that's why actually I love this tool. You can try this one if you are using Mac. And for your help, I will give a link on this video description. You can try with this, because this link will help for this like that will be my affiliate link. So that will be your support for my channel growing. Okay, so that is the quick video that I wanted to show you guys how this feature cool and how you will love it. And that is very cool. And one downside that I found, but let me explain that. Why is it will take too much time for export, but it's actually worth it. I already discussed with their developer team, and they show me like if you edit this video manually and if you export with After Effects, it will take another too much time. But it actually don't need to edit this manually, and its quality look like up from your After Effects. So that's why it's very cool, and people are loving this one. And if you want, you can try this one. I am using it since 1 year, and I am very used to with these tools, and I hope you will also love this. And if you need any help about these tools, if you have any query, and if you need coupon code, you can check this video description. Also you can comment on this video, then if I have the coupon code, I will try to give you. So that's it guys, see you on the next one. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.